What's up, everybody? Man, it's raining over here in Texas right now. If you're a construction worker, man, it sucks to be y'all because y'all ain't making no money. Y'all getting rain out. But this man right here is making all the money while y'all at home sitting around being lazy. I'm a hard working man, baby. But a day in the life of a hard working man on a rainy day. Everybody else getting rained out, but I'm here at work making money. But it's all good, baby. I can't complain. But this is what I do, baby. Check it out. Look like marshmallows. Yeah, it's raining outside. Next time, chilling.